Right now, millions of videos are being uploaded to the internet, and almost all of them need someone who knows how to edit them. Video editing is one of the most valuable creative skills of today, even if you never become a professional editor. Think about how many videos you watch today. YouTube videos, TikToks, movies, animes, ads, the list goes on. Every single one of them was edited by someone. 86% of the world's population is active on social media, and that's without counting all the kids that watch content. Almost everything you watch online was shaped by someone you never see, the editor. So you can either keep consuming content all day and have your life stay the same, or you can use the opportunities that editing offers to get money, status, and express yourself on the internet. Make sure you like the video and subscribe, because we're going to go on a deep dive of why you should start video editing. We are living in the video era. Almost everything is online now. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, ads, documentaries, podcasts, courses. Video dominates attention. It's the most important thing that most people consume every single day. Every creator, business, and brand needs video editors, because raw footage alone means nothing without someone shaping it. And the most important thing is that no one wants to do it themselves. Editing is a thing that creates tension and that builds creativity amongst others. It shares a message to the audience. The people who understand editing are the ones who control how stories, ideas, and messages are presented online. So every trend you see, every video that you find cool is meticulously crafted by the editor. And if you know how to edit, you're no longer just consuming content. You're actively participating in building it. Learning editing today is like learning basic web design in the early internet. The skill sits right in the center of the digital world. But the opportunity isn't just about the internet changing. It's also about the power that editing gives you personally. Editing is one of the most accessible creative skills. You don't need a camera to start editing. You can work with clips that already exist on the internet. You don't need a huge fancy setup. A basic computer and a free software can take you a long way. And this is why the rise of apps such as CapCut, Alight Motions, and other mobile apps are so popular. It's because it is convenient and quick and allows you to make creative videos. There are endless tutorials and resources online that teach almost every single technique you could think of. And compared to things like filmmaking or photography, the barrier to entry is much lower. So why not learn editing? It is the easiest thing to learn by far. What really matters in editing isn't the gear, it's the patience and curiosity to keep learning and improving. If you never quit, you'll always keep improving. And when you improve and you see the payoff that the improving is doing for you, that is the best feeling in the world. And once you get past the beginner stages, editing starts teaching you something much bigger than just technical skills. Video editing is one of the few skills that lets you create something impressive from nothing. It's the only thing that allows you to take random clips, pieces of music, and a simple idea and turn them into something that actually moves people. I always talk about this, how editing is the most important thing for creative freedom. It allows you to create videos that millions of people get to see and experience and feel inspired by and motivated by, and feel the emotions and impact that you want to portray in your videos. A well-edited video can make someone laugh, feel inspired, learn something, or see a story differently. The moment you finish your first edit that genuinely looks good, you realize you built something out of thin air. Creating something that didn't exist before until the moment that you made it is a great feeling. And that feeling is addictive because it proves that creativity is not just talent. It's a skill that you can train. And with that being said, make sure to like and subscribe to help the channel out. You watching the entire video and leaving these comments about your experiences and opinions really make my day. And for those of you who want to quote unquote know how to not get AE, then go to my Instagram page, link in the description, and make sure to follow me and like the post on the page so I can see your message. If you're watching these videos, it means you actively want to improve our video creation as a whole, whether it's edits, content creation, or anything that requires editing, which shows your determination to win in life. So thank you for being here. I appreciate every single one of you for rocking out with me, and let's get back into it. Editing is one of the rare skills where a beginner can go from making something terrible to something impressive in a relatively short time with practice. And keyword here is practice. Without trying different styles and different effects and different editing softwares, you're never going to improve. Everything in life is practice. And the reason so many people start learning editing is because it opens doors that most people never even think about. Video editing puts you in rooms with people you would never meet otherwise. Now, this is for those of you who are very interested in having good connections. A lot of creators, entrepreneurs, streamers, and public figures rely on editors to turn their raw footage into content people actually want to watch. When you become good at editing, you're no longer watching these personalities from the outside, you're actively being part of the process that helps them communicate with their audience. And this is why editing is such a good thing for network connection. Editors often end up working closely with people who have large platforms, strong ideas, or interesting lives. Same thing with me. I've started editing for other people before I edited for myself in this channel. And through that experience, I built so many connections with big creators that most of you know the name of. You get to see how they think, how they operate, and how they build things. And this reflects onto you. The knowledge you gain directly from being around them reflects on you and how you build things and how you create. Many editors start by simply wanting to make cool videos, and then they end up collaborating with creators they used to watch themselves. And this is the greatest feeling of all time. I can tell you from experience. Editing is one of the few skills where the better you get, the closer you get to the people who are actively shaping online culture. And once you start working with people like that, something interesting happens to the way you see your own abilities. Editing builds problem-solving skills. Every project forces you to figure something out. Whether the timing feels wrong, the pacing feels slow, a transition doesn't work the way you imagined, or the visuals just suck, you constantly experiment, adjust, and refine until something clicks. And over time, you get better at breaking big creative problems into small technical steps. But you're only able to segment these small technical steps from trial and error, which goes back to what I was saying about practicing different styles and being able to grab different skills and techniques from those styles and incorporate it into your own will allow you to be malleable in the way you make your videos. And that mindset not only transfers to video editing, but it transfers to other areas of your life. You start approaching challenges with the same figure it out mentality. And editing trains your patience because the results only come through practice. And if you stick with it long enough, something surprising does happen. You start developing your own style. At first, everyone copies trends and popular techniques. That's normal. That's just people trying to get viral. But after enough projects, you begin making small choices that reflect your taste. Maybe it's the way you use music, pacing, sound effects, color, or even storytelling. And over time, those small decisions stack up and become your style. And that's why most of the popular editors that you've come to know, or the edits that are solidified in your head for being the greatest of all time, are so defining. And that's why they create these trends. It's because these small decisions stack up and become your style. But you'd only be able to get that style from experience. If you're watching my channel, you already know that I'm always an advocate for learning. So if you're gonna be watching these videos, you've gotta be sure that you're gonna be willing to learn and put yourself fully investing in a skill that can build your career, not take away from it. So even if you never become a professional editor, the skill itself stays useful. When you start editing, you cross the line from consumer to creator. And instead of just watching things happen on the screen, you start shaping what appears on it and being connected to the people that make it. You create the trends and you get the notoriety for it. And once you experience that feeling, it's very hard to go back. Thank you for watching this video. This is why you should start video editing. It's a skill that is so interesting and extremely useful in many facets of life. And I can guarantee you that if you start it, it's going to lead to so many more opportunities down the line. But you really need to apply yourself fully. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your opinions, and I recommend you watch this video as it's going to be very interesting for you getting better at editing. Again, thank you for watching and being here. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you made it this far, comment the word cheeseburger. Sprint to success.